Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean image, crop distractions, and save as JPG or PNG. Once done, open Images. Google, Com on desktop, or launch the Google app on mobile and tap the lens icon. Make sure you're signed into the account you want associated with searches. This affects saved results. Now, choose the camera/upload option on desktop, click the camera icon, or on mobile, tap the gallery icon to select the photo you want to search with. You'll upload the file next. Drag and drop into Google Images or click Upload a file and pick it. On mobile, select the gallery photo in Lens or paste an image URL. Once results appear, use Find Other Sizes and the suggested keywords to tighten matches. Those suggestions reveal context, alt text, and source pages. If results are broad, crop the image to focus on a detail, or add a text query. This combines visual plus keyword signals for better precision. You finish by scanning top results for exact matches. Look at domain credibility and timestamps to judge reliability. If you get weak matches, make sure the photo has enough detail, then retry with a different crop, higher resolution, or alternate keywords. Also, clear metadata or use incognito if you prefer no history. If uploads fail, check file size and format, disable extensions that block requests, and try Google Lens instead. That usually resolves stubborn image search issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.